exercising? It's 3 p.m. Sure. Yeah. Let's put our gym clothes and do some exercising. Girls, what are you doing? Doing exercises? Yeah. Chloe's right. Huh. Well, that's good. Oof. Ugh. A little help. Near. Ouch. Zizi. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Oh. Yeah, Sofia, I'm okay. That back crack wasn't your fault. Ow. It's okay, Zizi. We're sorry that your back is cracked while Sofia is helping you. Yeah, Chloe's right with you, sis. I hope your back will feel better. Why not? You should rest your back for a few days. Okay, girls. I should rest my back for a few days. Good. We'll let our mommy know that your back hurts when she comes home from work. Yeah, what Chloe said. Thanks, girls.